External hard drives are great until they suddenly disappear. You plug in your WD My Passport, the light is on. Windows may even make that USB sound, but in File Explorer, nothing. Don't panic and don't format it yet. In this video, I'll show you the safest order to fix a WD My Passport that is connected but not showing up in Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to 4DDIG. First, check what kind of problem this is. Is Windows not detecting the drive at all? Or is the drive detected in disk management, but just not showing up in File Explorer? That difference matters. If it's a cable, port, driver, or drive letter issue, the free Windows fixes may work. But if the disk shows as raw, unallocated, not initialized, or Windows asks you to format it, recover your data first. Let's go in the right order. Method 1. Check the cable, USB port, and computer. Start with the basics. Unplug your WD My Passport and reconnect it with the original WD cable if possible. A bad cable may still power the drive but fail to transfer data. Next, plug the drive directly into your computer. Avoid USB hubs, adapters, or extension cables. If you're using a desktop, try a rear USB port. If you're using a laptop, try another port. Also test the drive on another computer. If it works there, your WD drive is probably fine. The issue is likely with your Windows system USB port or driver. Method 2. Assign a drive letter. If Windows detects the drive but it does not appear in File Explorer, it may not have a drive letter. Right-click the Start button and select Disk Management. Find your WD My Passport by checking the disk size. If the partition has no drive letter, right-click it and choose Change Drive Letter and Path. Click Add, assign a new letter like E, G, or H, then click OK. Now open File Explorer and check whether the drive appears. Method 3. Bring the disk online still in Disk Management. Check the left side of the disk. If your WD My Passport shows as offline, right-click the disk label area and choose Online. This will not erase your files. Once it is online, check File Explorer again. Method 4. If the drive still does not show up, reinstall the driver. Right-click Start and open Device Manager. Expand disk drives and look for your WD My Passport. Right-click it and choose Uninstall Device. You can also expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. If you see unknown USB device, uninstall that as well. Then unplug the WD Passport, restart your computer and plug it back in. Windows should reinstall the driver automatically. Method 5. Disable USB power saving. If your WD Passport keeps disconnecting, blinking, or disappearing, Windows may be turning off the USB port to save power. Open Device Manager. Expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right-click USB Root Hub or Generic USB Hub and choose Properties. Go to the Power Management tab. Uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK. You can also open Control Panel, go to Hardware and Sound, Power Options, change Plan Settings, change Advanced Power Settings, expand USB settings, and disable USB Selective Suspend. Method 6. Recover data. First, then format. If needed now, if your WD My Passport appears in Disk Management but shows as raw, unallocated, not initialized, or Windows asks you to format it, be careful. Formatting may make the drive usable again, but it will erase the data. So if you cannot access the drive or you forgot to back up important files, try data recovery before formatting. For this, you can use 4DDIG Data Recovery. It can bypass errors and delve into the underlying layers to recover data. I've put the download link in the description and pinned comment. Connect your WD My Passport to the PC, then open 4DDIG. Select your WD Passport, choose the file types you want to recover, and click Scan. After the scan, preview the files if possible. Select the files you need, click Recover, and save them to a different location, not back to the same WD Passport. Once your files are safely recovered, you can format the drive if needed. Go back to Disk Management, right-click the WD Passport, and choose Format. For Windows-only use, choose NTFS. For both Windows and Mac, choose exFAT. After formatting, your WD Passport should show up normally in File Explorer again. And that's it. We are also giving away a free 3-day trial of 4DDIG. Give it a try. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who's struggling with their external drive. See you!